Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, let's continue our HVAC tutorials. The previous tutorial we talked about the duct drawing in Autodesk Revit. In this video we're gonna talk about duct drawing in Autocad 2D. So let's take a look on the system that we talked about the previous tutorial. I completed the air distribution system, and we talked about this side here in the level 3 on the roof. Here we go. Here is the air handling unit, and here are the diffusers that we use. You can make annotate like what I did here, tag by category or tag all. We use tag by category and just hit the duct or hit the diffuser like this. Okay, and you will find here, suppose that like this, or here. So here 397, and here is not 397. It's according to the diffuser data. Cancel, pick the diffuser, and here 497. So we want to change it to be 397, not 497. Okay, 397, and this is the, I think this is that number of the diffuser here, 31, 32, and so on. And here are the ducts, and here hit this duct, we find it 10 width and 10 height, 10 inches, and here is the supply air, and everything you'll find it here. Okay, so the 3D. So this is the distribution air distribution system. Here is the orbit. Now I wanna the pan tool. This is the pan tool. Okay, here are the ducts for these rooms. Okay, now we're gonna talk about drawing the same layout in Autocad, but before we start we have to take a look on the standards. Here is chapter 2 air distribution system of carrier handbook, page 45. This is what we show the previous tutorial. The radius per diameter R by D. Okay, radius elbow, no vanes, R by D, and here W, D, and many things. Okay, you have to take a look at these standard codes. It's very important for you. Okay, so the system design manual for air distribution by carrier. Okay, and also the ventilation and infiltration. The ventilation for the bathrooms in air change per hour. Things 31. Okay, here the ventilation or the recommended ventilation for the bathroom. Gonna get it. Okay, here the kitchen, and here the exhaust airflow rates, and here the table of continuous exhaust airflow rates. Okay, here on page 21, 100%, the utility room, bathroom, toilet, and lavatory, 10 liter per second, no or not less than 2 air change per hour. This is the ventilation, and also you can see here for the equations, rule of thumb, you'll find here is the toilet rooms as 10 air change per hour. This is the recommended value for the ventilation. And also here for the HVAC duct systems. So this is the duct design of SMACNA. You'll find here many things that's related to the duct design, duct construction, standard male and flexible. Here the recommended for C and the Y if you use this branch, and so on. Okay, so according to the SMACNA and the standards, you have to know what you have to do when you design the duct. Okay, here I'm talking about the duct drawing after sizing the system by the cooling loads and sizing the ducts and how to draw it. So now let's talk about the diffusers. Here is the rectangular diffuser, and here is the round diffuser. Okay, and here are the layouts of the duct system. It's very interesting. Here are the architectural drawings. And here in Revit, like what we did. Okay, and here we exactly like SMACNA, and here the actual duct system. So how to leverage Autocad drawings, ducts design, and many things. Also here, find this video on YouTube. Yeah, I know it. And here the air distribution system, but round. You know that this is the round duct, and you can see it without any suspended ceiling. Like the airports, you can find here duct system airports. I find here very interesting for the airports. All this round, and here look, and here on the roof exactly like what we did. So this is the airport roof support system. So this is the support system. Here is the system. Okay. This is a simple drawing for the for the round ducts, and also here round ducts, and here is the rectangular main duct. Okay, and here is the return air. So this is the air handling unit, like this, and the main duct and the branches. So now let's talk about drawing the same. We have here the same plan. We're gonna talk about this layout in Autocad. We here have the diffuser. You can draw the diffuser like Revit or in another method of drawing the diffuser, to draw it like this, exactly like this. So now let's start. Okay, and here it's 1 2 3 4. It's 1 2 3 4. So this diffuser was, just click on it, 3 6 3 5 and 6 3 5 millimeters. Go here and we need to draw rectangular rec, and we specify that point and then click D to select dimensions. D, it's gonna be 635 635 5 635. Okay, and here is the duct. Okay, escape. Oh, I'm sorry. Here D, yes, yes, and AutoCAD asks you where. Click here and then click M to move the object, and the base point, yes, and this is the base point to the center of the room. So this is the center. No, this is not the center. Yes, this is the center. Okay, something like this. Okay, it's not a problem now. So here is the first rectangle, and then we need to draw the other. So you can make a cross like Revit. Click L to pick a line, and click and L, line again. So this is exactly like the diffuser of Revit. Okay, so it's up to you, or it's up to your office or consultant engineer. So now we have to draw it like this. It's common in AutoCAD to use this method. We need to rectangle and just offset. I'm gonna take offset, and here AutoCAD asks you to specify the offset distance. I think it's 0.1 from the 6.3. This is 635, so it's 0.1 multiplied by 635, 63.5. 63.5, and here is the object, and asks you here or here. I'm gonna use this and this and also this and this. Okay, Okay, so here is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5. You can make another one if you want. Offset, yes, this, sorry. Okay, it's enough to do this diffuser like this. You can make a line here, and to know where is the, yeah, just pick all and click move. Move this here. So this is the origin of this room, exactly in the center of this room. Also, you can be sure if you face these problems, may this help you. Click line, go to the, okay, so I think it's in the center. Okay, move. Okay, it's okay. So Control Z and Control Z and Control Z. Okay, now the second diffuser. Click on it. No, 381. Come here and rec. Enter is the first. Okay, and dimensions 381. I think. Here 381. 1 381. Here or here. Make it here and 381 multiplied by 0.1 38.1. Okay, offset 38.1. Where our guy? Here, here, 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. We can make another one, but no need. Okay, here is the second diffuser. Line, and another line. Okay, and then move on origin, yeah, to this. Very simple and very quick. Okay, so here is the second diffuser and the first diffuser. Okay, so according, gentlemen, to this, you have to know that this is at the center of this room, and this is at the center of this room. Maybe the duct system will face some problems in this. That's why in Revit we did not actually make this. So we may change the location of this duct according to the duct. the main duct or this branch to avoid the elbows that increases the friction. Okay, so we may here make it on the same line. Okay, after this, well, let's take a look on this. We know here if you have also you can change the system design to avoid the elbows, and avoiding the elbows is very recommended. Okay, and it doesn't matter where if the diffuser at the center, exactly at the center or not. Okay, so you have to make a comparison and to see which choice is better than the other choice for this special system. Okay, and here are the branches. Okay, let's see this. Look, they avoid the uh, the elbows by making the layout like this. So just to show you the many ideas, and we have to know what is the best for our system. Okay, so we may change the location of this diffuser or this when we talk about the branch. Now I'm just showing you how to draw the diffusers. So here is the third diffuser, 38 point. Okay, the same, so we can copy this CO and get it from here. Okay, so this may be move. Okay, here. And here the fourth diffuser, 635, like this, 635. So copy this and the same line. Okay, so here we go. We have 4 diffusers. So now we wanna get this duct from here. Notice that you have to draw it like this. We need this 11 inches by 11, and here's the, click on this, you'll find this, the rectangular elbow 1.5 W, and this is the rectangular duct radius elbow, and here is the our diffuser. Okay, so we need to draw the 11 multiplied by 11. Okay, so here we're gonna use this. 11 inches means 279.4. 279.4. Okay, Okay, we're gonna talk about this, but there is a lisp that we will use now. It is better to use these lisps. It is very easy and is very recommended because you're gonna use them fast. So click insert and attach, and here go to the lisp. I have here the downloads. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. We have to go to manage German. So insert. If you wanna attach a picture, you can attach it to draw something. But now you have to go to manage. I'm sorry. So load application. Okay, and here are the downloads. We have two lisps, so we're gonna use this duct lisp. Click load and close. Now you have to click on duct, write duct. If you did not load the lisp, you will not find this command. So we have here command. Click OK. Now we're gonna specify the elbow type, mirrored or segmented or radius, exactly like what we talked about in Revit. We're gonna use the R radius, so we're gonna R. So the R to W factors 1.5 or 0.75 or quarter. It's gonna be 1.5. So specify the start point or width. We're gonna use 27 here. So this is the width 27 and 9.4. 279.4, and so here this is the start point. Okay, exactly like what we want. So this is the duct. Notice that if you click here and then click here, enter, so you'll find here the branch automatically without any further action. So we wanna now Control Z and repeat it again because we have to see how to use this. Okay, we were gonna so this is 11. You may here we can measure the distance from this to here is 3884.8. Generally, you have to be sure of the units. Here is must be millimeters to draw the right way. Okay, click duct and mirrored radius. Okay, make it mirrored to see what will happen. The elbow throat length, something that's related to the mirrored. Yes. Okay. Notice what will happen. So this is the mirrored, exactly like what we talked about in Revit, the mirrored. So duct. And 38848. Okay. Radius 1.5 to 7 to 79.4.4. and here is the start point. Three eight eight four. Okay, and click OK. So this is the duct. So this is the box. So we can move this to be from here. Okay, and also, gentlemen, you can modify the shape of the diffuser to be good looking. Okay, or you can make it like what in Revit. So now we're gonna do this. This is the transition from the higher duct CFM duct to the lower CFM duct, or you can draw this at first and this make the transition. It's better to do this. So okay, it's just a practice. So the first practice is always difficult. So measure this distance from here to here. Okay, 9364 9364.6. 9364.6. Okay, and here we go. This is the middle, the center of this main duct. Okay, this main duct is 15, width is 15 inches. So we have to know 381 millimeters. So draw duct. Okay, and R 1.5 381, and the start point, make it here. So this is the main duct. Okay, this is the main duct, and here we're gonna talk about the branches from the higher CFM duct to the lower CFM duct, and this is the best way. Also, you can move it as you like to take the branch. Okay. So here, measure this distance from here into here, 3706. Six. Okay, this is just a guideline for you. Okay, and then we can delete them. So this duct is gonna be 12 inches. 12 duct R. Okay, and 04.8, and from here, so this is our duct. Okay, and now we can extend this. Oh, we do not need it. So here is the duct, exactly like here. The change or the difference is just in the diffuser drawing. Okay, now we're gonna use the transition. Okay, gentlemen, I undo the delete. Why we need to make a transition? So let's start from the beginning. Here is duct. Okay, R 1.5 and it's gonna be 3.48, and here is the start. Okay, then we need to and here is the end, and then you can click W to pick width, the width of the other duct width. Then specify starting width is 304.8, and then the other small width to 79.4, and then go here and you can go here. Okay, and click. So also we do this, you can delete this and just go here to make it. Okay, so here is the transition. Transition, gentlemen, is too small. Okay, find here the transition. Yes, so notice this line is 4.7, and this line is 279, exactly like what we did. To make it obvious, duct and R 1.5 and 304.8, and specify here, and this is the end. Then W. Okay, W we can make it 1 millimeter. Starting, sorry, it's gonna be 3.8, and then it's gonna be 1 millimeter. Notice that it is very obvious. Okay, can delete this, just make it here. Okay, so this is the transition. This is 304, and here is 100. Okay, very easy, but you have to practice it many times. No need for this now, and this. Okay, here you can specify another dimensions for the longitudinal, for the length. Okay, so this is the reduction. So gentlemen, we see here that it is not exactly what like what we know, what we want. So here is 12 and here is 11. So this is the distance. So the distance, let's say the distance, okay, just 330.2. Okay, 1230. here to here is 30.7. So this is the right dimensions. So delete this, Control Z, 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 Z. So this line, let's draw the line to know. Okay, delete this and this to know. And here's the duct, R 1.5 and 3.4.8 in this, and here's the end, then W, then 3.4.8, then 279.4, then please 30.7. Okay, and here we go. Yeah, exactly like what I did, what I want. All right. So here, line, measure this. It's gonna be 330.7. Okay, exactly like this. Okay, gentlemen, to sum up, you have to draw the duct, then to know what is the distance from Revit or from Smachna. You have to know what is going on. There are many methods to draw the ducts, so now no need for this. Okay, now for here the branch from the main duct. You can see here like this. Okay, this is the method, and there is another method. So now we're gonna load application. I'm gonna load the branch lisp. Okay, load, close, and branch lisp is BD to draw the branch. So there is another method for drawing the branch. So the flow comes from here to here. So pick this line. I'm sorry, before this you have to exclude all, exclude. Okay, now you find every line single as a single line, BD, this, and this line. After the exclusion, just BD, please be careful, first line, second line, and the third line. And now here we go, this is the duct. It's like the neck. Yeah, it's something like this. It is very common. So you have to make it like this, like Revit, or like this. Okay, and the neck of the humans is more complex than the easy HVAC system that we are talking about. Okay. So, gentlemen, now we have just completed the first branch, this room and this room, the CFM. You also can add the dimensions for you. Okay, here is the other as 12 with 12 and 11, and then 10. Okay, there's no reduction in the size, and this is good. Okay, so we need only 10 width. The reduction is in the height, and we do not care about the height in AutoCAD. We care here about the height due to the extrude and the 3D drawings. So duct, so 10 inches is 254 millimeters duct, or 1.5, you can change it, and here 254, the start is from here. I'm sorry. Okay, no problem. Move. Okay. And make it like this. Okay. Save your work, please. Okay, here. So this is the duct, and here is the diffuser, and here is the other duct. Reduction is in the 3D only. Okay. So it's here. Okay. The other two ducts. So here we have to measure this distance from the air handling unit to finish this tutorial. Just 8256. Line 8256. Click OK. Just to know from where we have to begin. Okay, this duct is 18. It's 457.8 millimeter, and then 15 381 1 millimeter. Okay. Okay, but before we start it, you have to know that exclude these things. Okay, and then BD first, second. Please be careful. BD. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here is the duct, and from here we wanna this duct. So measure the distance is 3164.3. So this is the distance, and then we're gonna carry out a reduction for the transition duct, and here R, and here 1.5 according to your selection. It's 4, 5, 7.2. Click, and here the start 3164.3. Okay, and then W 381, and then I'm sorry, is okay, do it again. Duct R 1.5 and 4, 5, 7.2, and then the start and the length and 3, and then W 4, 5, 7.2, and then 381, and also make it 3.7. Okay, like this. Okay, fantastic. So this is the same duct. So now you can delete this line or whatever you want to make this sounds good. Okay, here we go. This line I do not need it, and this line I do not need it. Notice. So here we have a transition. Also here the transition. You can measure it, and you can draw the duct. Please measure this distance before. So here is 92, not 30. Okay, so this distance from here to here. $92. Okay, make it like this, and this gonna be like this. Why? This allows the flow to be good. Okay, and also we need to carry out the branches from here. Okay, the distance from this to here is about 3328. Three three two eight eight. Okay, and measure it from here. 6036. I'm sorry, you have to measure it from here. 6446. Okay, 6446. Okay. Move. So here is the diffuser. So this diffuser is 5.8. It's another diffuser. So rec, and here, and dimensions 8508. Click. All right. And offset. Gonna be 50.8. Select the object here, move, and small. Okay, remove all these. Okay, so here is our diffuser. Okay, we do not need this. Okay, notice here that here we wanna draw the duct. The duct is 10, so 254, and here you can move this. No. Move it. Let's move it to increase this. Okay, and now we want a duct or 254. So here we start. Okay, move. It's all right, and execute. Yes, BD. BD. Yeah, the flow comes from here to here, so start from here. Yeah, this maybe here, and you can increase this. You can enhance the drawing by making this in the center of it, or draw the duct carefully, please. Or just I'm showing you the method. So the same is from here. So gentlemen can draw a line here and just and mi as mirror there, the center, and it is source object, no, and here is the other. So I think this is not right. Okay, you can make it at the center. Okay, and the other is like it. Okay. Okay, doesn't matter now. So, gentlemen, this is the diffusers, and exactly like this. And here the again, you can draw it here. I will let it for you, and we don't need no need for this. So this is the diffusers. Please put the dimensions, and here the exactly like Revit. Okay, but AutoCAD, you may need more things or different things, so you have to know how to avoid any problems. And here are the main duct, and here are the branches, and here are the rooms. Okay, and the other layout is gonna be your practice or your homework. So please try to draw the other room. Very quick, very simple. Just you have to load the applications, this lisp duct and the branch lisp. Okay, to use them. Also, so here duct and specify R, make core 0.75, maybe 304, and here is the standard up to here and up to here. Click, you will find here this is 0.7 duct R 0.5. Okay, 3, 4 here, here, here. Click, and here's 0.5. Also duct R 1.1, make it 1. Okay, 4. Find here the standard ducts, elbows, and the branches. Also duct metered elbow throat length, make it according to the standard. Okay, 3.4. You'll find it like this. So very easy, very simple, and we have just finished their distribution system for this. Please take care of the layers. You can carry out layers using the layers to give every the diffusers have a color, and the main ducts and the branches have another color. Okay, so gentlemen, this is the tutorial about AutoCAD to draw the ducts. I think it's very simple, but you have to practice it by yourself. Okay, here the same orientation as we saw. So here the duct system AutoCAD. Very simple, very fast. not here. So you can use many diffuser orientation. Okay, like this. Okay, here. So these are the elbows, like I said. And here, here. So I think it's very simple. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, but before we close this tutorial, the flow direction is from here to here. So you have to find this like this, and so here I think this is not right. Okay, let's make it again. It's in the opposite direction. Okay. BD. Second line. Sorry. BD. Okay. I think that here is there is a problem. This. Here. 8. Okay. Explode. Okay. Then BD. This is first line, second line, and this. This is all to duct. R 5. This is 254. Okay. Where are the directions from here to here? So exclude. All right. BD. The first line, direction from here to here. So this is the first line. First, second, okay. Okay, make carry out the zoom, and here. So when I look at this distribution, I know that the flow direction is like this. is like this. Okay, so this is the flow direction from the air handling unit, and you'll face the ducts. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Thank you for your high patience, and I think that we covered a very good points, and I hope this helps you very much. The next tutorial we're gonna complete our HVAC project in the building in the second floor. Thank you very much. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.